am Jennifer Perkins, and there's something you should know about me. I love Halloween a lot. One of the things I love almost as much as Halloween is crafting. So I have combined those two things to bring you this sparkly sequin pumpkin project. And look at that. First things first, you need a pumpkin. Next thing you're gonna need is an assortment of sequins. If you're making it for Halloween, obviously you want those sequins in shades of Halloween. For me, that's magenta, orange, green, black, and white. Googly eyes, I am partial to the kind that already have sticky on the back because it makes your life that much easier, and who doesn't like that? The next thing you're gonna need are pins. The one thing you really want to look for is that it has a little head on it because that is going to catch your seed beads. Seed beads are just those little tiny beads that you get in the jewelry department. You just want it to not go over the head of your pin. That's the important part. All right, so the first thing you're gonna need is to make some sequin sandwiches, as I like to call them. And let me show you why I say that. Really, what you're doing is building up sequins with layers. Got a few others here. They don't have to be as intricate. You could just do a couple of different colors. All right, so once you have your sequin sandwich ready, you just push it in, and there you go. And you would just keep repeating all the way around in any which way that tickled your little crafty fancy until you get something like that. You can just do the top like I did, or you could do the whole thing. You don't have to leave that much negative space. It's completely up to you. And that is one of my fun Halloween tips and tricks. And this was made by Jen.